back to the Crypto Infinity channel. My name is Hector and we are here to get your day started. So if we take a look at the market cap, we are sitting at $1.14 trillion. Our 24-hour volume is at 64 billion. Our Bitcoin dominance is at 40%. Our Ethereum dominance is at 20.1%. Our ETH gas is at 17 Gwei. So if we take a look down here, we are down a little bit over less than half a percent over the last 24 hours, which isn't much. And again, Bitcoin has been sitting at about 23 to 24,000. We did get rejected at 25,000 and we did head back down. But again, as long as we hold this pretty much 24,000 range, we should be okay and good to go for the next week, and we should be on our way up. So again, we do have Bitcoin at 23,900, Ethereum sitting at 1,888. We have BNB token sitting at 316, XRP sitting at 38 cents, Cardano sitting at 55 cents, Solana trash, which is sitting at $43.60. Not my best bet. I would go with Cardano. That's just my opinion. We do have Dogecoin sitting at 8 cents. We did have a pretty much of a solid pump. So again, if you see over the last 7 days, we are up 24% for Dogecoin. Not my best bet. I wouldn't pretty much put money on Dogecoin. But again, that's something to keep your eye on if you are interested in those meme coins. Shiba Inu is another one that has been pumping recently due to the news with Binance on the Binance card. So for the last 7 days, we are up 33.65%. Our 24-hour momentum is at almost 3%. So again, that's another one to keep your eye on if you are into the meme coins. So we also have Litecoin down here at $62 discount, FTX token $30, CRO down here at 15 cents, Stellar 12 cents, Algorand 35 cents, VeChain is another one to keep your eye on, especially with this next cycle coming up. I do believe that supply chain tracking will be a big let's say something to keep your eye on token wise. So again, VeChain is my best bet. I do have some VeChain, and I do believe it's gonna be pretty big. So again, just keep an eye on VeChain. But as for the rest of the market, we are at a pretty much still at a discount rate compared to the top of the market last year. So again, we take a look at the chart for Bitcoin. We are sitting at 23, 24. It's just keep on bouncing up and down. So technical saying is neutral. So don't buy, don't sell. Especially if you're down, don't sell. So again, we've been making higher lows. So made a low down here. Let me get the brush. So low down here, higher low down there, higher low there, and higher low here. And we are headed upwards. But again, we are hitting that resistance at 25,000, and we should keep our eyes on that to see whether we are going to go back up or whether we'll go down again and try that 20 to 21,000 resistance. But again, we'll see within the coming days. XRP, we do have it at 38 cents. It's been pumping to about 39, 40 cents within the last couple hours. It's just been going up and down. Technical saying it's a good time to buy. So again, XRP down here sitting at 38 cents. Higher lows every time. Right here. And we are headed upwards. Same thing with Bitcoin. As long as Bitcoin doesn't hit that resistance, XRP should be decoupling. But again, as of right now, we still are following the Bitcoin cycle, and the Bitcoin, if Bitcoin dumps, everything's going down, and if Bitcoin pumps, everything's going up, including XRP. But eventually XRP will decouple from Bitcoin. That's just my opinion, not financial advice. So take it how you want to take it. So if we get on to the first article for today. So I do live in Houston, so this is a huge props to the Houston Texans. Houston Texans earned the title for the first NFL team to accept crypto for single game suites. So any Texans fans that want to get their suites for the game day, now you can buy them in crypto. So the Houston Texans enter the crypto realm as the first NFT team in history to accept crypto. The acceptance of crypto is made possible through its recent partnership with the Houston-based crypto wallet platform called BitWallet. So again, this is from Watch Your Guru. So again, go ahead and go follow them on Twitter. They'll be posting some excellent, good news, and well, really good and bad. But if they'll keep you updated with the markets as well. So Houston Texans are easing the payments with crypto. The partnership will allow fans to use their crypto for payments to purchase single game suites. The Houston Texans also earned the title for being the first NFL team to sell a suite through crypto. So again, that's pretty much what I just read earlier. But again, that's some pretty bullish news as for the crypto industry and the NFL. So again, like I was stating earlier, if you are into the meme coins, Shiba Inu eyes a 50% rally as Shiba enters price enters cup and handle. So this was from 2 days ago. But again, we have seen a rally to about 0.00016. But again, let's take a look here real quick. Shiba. So again, Shiba is at 0.00016. Look at that green candle. Again, not financial advice. This is just me taking a look at the candles and pretty much, well, you do what you want to do with this information. So again, this is a really big spike in the candle. So we were down here at one point, which is 0.00074 at the beginning of June 18th, and now we are up here, and that's a pretty bullish candle. Looks like it's forming another pattern here, but again, we'll have to keep our eyes on it within the coming days. So the breakout appears to almost 10 days after Sheep's addition to the Binance card. So Shiba Inu could soar up 50%. A cup and handle appears when the price falls and rises into a U-shaped trajectory in the first stage, followed by a swift move sideways or downward in the second. Notably, the price trend develops under a common resistance level. So typically, the cup and handle pattern resolves after the price breaks from the resistance level. Sheep did the same on August 14th after rising 27% to 0.00016 as shown below. So again, we are sitting at that price range at the moment. But again, we'll see what takes place within the coming days. And I do remain bullish on Shiba. Not so much as Dogecoin, because Dogecoin already kind of had that pump where it went from less than a penny to 75 cents and then came back down. So it is a bullish coin that you might want to keep your eye onto. But me, just being me, I wouldn't take a look into Dogecoin. But as for Shiba, I do recommend you keep your eye on Shiba because I do see some upward momentum coming. So a nonsense rally nonetheless. So fundamentally, Shiba Inu's 27% intraday price rally on August 14th had no visible catalyst except a metric showing that Sheep's burn rate surged by 825% in a day. So pretty much that's the amount of burn Sheep is worth only over 4,500, which is still a lot. 4,500 of not my money. So again, that's very bullish that they're continuing to burn tokens and helping out the community. So again, very bullish news for all the crypto community. So now let's get on to this article where it says Coinbase will pause Ethereum deposits and withdrawals during the Ethereum merge. So crypto exchange Coinbase will pause the Ethereum and ERC20 token deposits and withdrawals during Ethereum's upgrade to proof of stake as a precautionary measure. So again, it's nothing big, nothing to worry about. It's just for precautionary measures, and they should resume their withdrawals as soon as the merge completes and finalizes. So again, the key takeaways are Coinbase announced today that it will pause Ethereum and ERC20 token deposits and withdrawals. So trading services are expected to remain unaffected. Again, for Coinbase, this is nothing big, just pretty much for Ethereum due to the merge. So the Ethereum merge is scheduled to take place around September 15th to the 16th, and most likely it'll happen on the upward side. So that would be around September 15th. That's literally a month away. I mean, that's pretty much by the rumor, so the news moment. So if you have Ethereum, it will pump up, and I'm not gonna promise, but I'm damn pretty sure that it will dump after the merge. So again, take profits and trade at your own will. So Coinbase has also announced it will temporarily pretty much paused again. So while the customers will be able to use the platform's trading services during Ethereum's consensus mechanism switch, they will not be able to deposit or withdraw the same tokens. So again, nothing big to worry about. But again, just keep an eye on it and keep that in mind for September 15th. So one of the last articles I want to get into is XRP being classified as a digital currency by Goldman Sachs and Wells Fargo. So this is from Watcher News, Watcher Guru. So again, Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, and HSBC recently classified XRP as a digital currency. Ripple can call this a victory in its lawsuit with the SEC. In December 2020, the SEC filed the lawsuit. Again, as we all know, and for those that don't know, there is a lawsuit going against Ripple and the XRP token. Well, against Ripple, but it is affecting the XRP token price. So again, alleging that they raised over $1.3 billion through an unregistered digital asset security offering. So multiple publications have cited XRP as a non-security, which aids Ripple in the lawsuit. One is by HSBC on DOT technology, in which it mentioned Ripple stating DOT can streamline end-to-end value transfers, reducing costs, operational risk, and settlement periods. For example, Ripple's XRP ledger provides real-time cross-border settlements using tokens that represent central bank currencies. So Goldman Sachs has also classified XRP from Ripple as an opportunity in payments alongside Circle and Coinbase in their overview of digital assets and blockchain report. So General Counsel Stuart Alderati circles back to Representative Sherman's off-base remarks during an oversight hearing in a recent op-ed. Alderati writes, Representative Sherman's behavior highlights the pernicious effect of regulation by enforcement. So again, this is something big to keep your eye on. If Goldman Sachs, HSBC, and Wells Fargo is saying that it's a digital currency, then this case is pretty much wrapped up and it's over, and it's just really a matter of time until the SEC just calls it quits and just settles, or they just lose the lawsuit in general. But again, this is just something to keep an eye on. And the last article for today, the Federal Reserve issues guidance for banks considering crypto activities. So in saying that, again, we do have Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, and HSBC. And I do have some juicy content that will be provided as a short later on tonight. So keep your eye on for that. Make sure you subscribe and you will be getting a daily update. So again, the Federal Reserve issues guidance, and this is pretty much coming now that they know the SEC is most likely going to lose this lawsuit, and there's pretty much nothing they can do to stop this. So the U.S. Federal Reserve on Tuesday issued additional guidance for banks considering activities involving crypto, emphasizing that firms must notify the Fed beforehand and make sure whatever they do is legally permitted. So in saying that, the statement that while cryptocurrencies could present potential opportunities to banks, firms needed to make sure that they had systems in place beforehand to ensure the volatile assets did not threaten safety and soundness on consumer protections. So banks should also notify the Fed before engaging in any crypto related activities, and any banks that had already pursued crypto initiatives should also notify the Fed about their involvement in the digital asset space. So again, this is becoming pretty big. Banks are wanting to get into crypto. XRP being classified as a digital currency by Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, and HSBC. Again, this lawsuit is pretty much over, folks. Just be patient. Don't sell your XRP. Don't sell any crypto at all. Again, this lawsuit will pump the markets, and I can pretty much, I'm not gonna guarantee it, but I could pretty much guarantee it will pump the markets, and I can't wait till that day comes. But I mean, as for now, that's pretty much all we have for the daily market update today. Thanks to each and every one of you. Remember, if you like the content, hit the like and subscribe. Make sure you share the video. I will be posting my Twitter link below the video, so make sure you go subscribe on Twitter, and make sure you subscribe on YouTube. Thanks, and until next time.